Physics is equilateral. In tetryonics, every structure from the quantum to the cosmic is built from the precise geometry of energy. The foundation is the tetryon. 4 equilateral Planck quoins fold into a closed tetrahedral topology, the first stable mass-matter geometry in the universe. Leptons are not points. They are 3 tetrahedral rotor topologies, equally spaced and bound along their common axis of rotation. A 12p quantum machine. Quarks are 8p, octahedral charge assemblies. Their fractional charges are the net results of exposed equilateral charge fascia, not arbitrary fractions. A baryon is a 20p quasi-icosahedral tetrayonic shell. 9 tetryons, 36 charged fascia, and the dielectric spaces we call gluons. Proton, UDU, net charge plus 12. Neutron, DUD, net charge 0. These patterns are fixed by charge fascia polarity and equilateral packing rules. The strong force is pure geometric attraction. Opposite charge fascia pull together to lock quarks into the baryonic stator. Through mirror charge alignment, charged opposites attract. Protons and neutrons bind into deuterons, the building blocks of every element. Elements form through geometric consolidation. We stack deuterons into the most compact equilateral topologies possible. This is the origin of matter. The periodic table is a map of nuclear topology. Every element is a specific stacking cycle of equilateral baryonic shells. Quanta has a shape. The universe has a shape, and now it has a voice. Let's build the unified physics engine for humanity. Tetryonics is the stack you've been searching for.